Girl, if you're ready, hey! We ain't gotta wait no time, you can just go steady.
Good morning, happy Friday, y'all. I don't know what I am this morning. I am trying to get myself together. I've made me some coffee. I have my little breakfast biscuits. Is that what yeah, breakfast biscuit. And so I'm about to start working. Last night I went to see PJ Morton. When I tell y'all a time, it was a good time. I did like a solo date situation, and that was my first time ever going to like live, like music, outdoor event like that. By myself. And when I tell y'all I truly enjoyed myself, I ended up befriending some other young ladies. One young lady was there by herself, another lady was there and her friend met her. It was some ladies behind us like sisters. And this is why I love black women, because baby, in that little circle we had a time. We were tapping on each other, high-fiving, singing, giving each other the eye. We understood what that eye meant. It was absolutely beautiful. So, yeah. So, I'm about to start my day, get to doing some work, and we got to have a conversation about this hair, but we'll do that later. I just came in from the store. I wanted to grab these. It's a young lady on Tik Tok, and she had these, so I was like, so I'm gonna give these a try. And then I just got some stuff for a salad, and I finally found me some croissants. So yeah, I'm about to make me a sandwich, throw that in. And while I was out, I needed to go get some, I grabbed me some flowers. Aren't those pretty? So yeah. All right, so I'm about to chill out for the rest of the evening, and I'm about to try the Outshine Mango and Tangine. I thought I would do the first one on camera. Sorry that this looks so bad, but yeah, let's see. It's cool. It's different. The Tangine is definitely a little spice. It's got a little kick. But if you like mango with Tangine or any type of fruit with Tangine on it, this is just a frozen version. I kind of wish that this was a little softer, if that makes sense, so that it kind of like melt. But other than that, I enjoy it. You see what I'm saying? Like, you know, I don't know if I'm explaining right, but some frozen, like, bars, like, they don't be as firm. And so, like, as you eating it, it has more of a crunch, which makes the Tangine kind of kick really hard. But other than that, I like it. Good morning, good morning. It's happy Saturday, so I'm making me some turkey bacon. About to get myself dressed. I am headed to a surprise party with my girl. It is her friend, but we have became cool in the process. So yeah, so I'm going to the surprise party. I need to wash this hair. I'm mad because I kept saying that I will wash it last night and I didn't. And so now I'm trying to figure out what to do. I'm wondering if I can do, I'm gonna try to like slick it down. I have a hat planned, but like I'm not a wear a hat for an outfit type of girl. But today might be the day. I have been outside all day. It is 8 o'clock. I got home maybe 30 minutes ago. I left out my house this morning at 10:30. I've been to a surprise party. I've been to Target, which I'm going to show y'all what I got. Nothing major. To Target. I've been up to the beach. Child. I came in, I don't even like eating this late, but I am kind of hungry, and I took this, when I put the meat in the refrigerator, and I've been wanting a turkey burger. So I came in, made a turkey burger. I got fries in the air fryer. They ready. I got fries in the air fryer, so I'm about to eat that, take me a shower, and chill. But let me show you what I got. Basic stuff. I need some paper towels, so I got that. I just used the last of my cold brew or my iced coffee, so I had to get some of that. Thank God she had an air on in her car because it kept it cold. Finally about to start changing stuff around in the bathroom, so I got a liner because I needed one, some pillowcases, and sheet set. I like this sheet set, these sheets from Target, so I got that. And I like to use this Dickinson's Witch Hazel toner. I like to use this. Sometimes I don't always want to use my fancy fat water. And I also have another toner that has like the BHAs and all that. I should have saw if they had that. But sometimes I just want to use this. So I had that. And I typically would get Dove, but baby girl, the budget. So we got this cool moisturizing body wash from the Target brand. It is cucumber and green tea scent. I like a green tea scent. And I like, this is like my morning. I like something refreshing in the morning, kind of wake you up, invigorate you. What's that? So that's everything that I got. So I'm about to eat, bring it down, get in the shower, and chill out for the rest of the day. Happy Sunday. So I am finally about to have to close my toilet seat. I hate being in the bathroom with my toilet seat up. I am about to go ahead and finally do something to this hair. I did cut some of my hair. So what I did was, I told y'all I really wasn't feeling just the shave size undercut. That's not really my vibe. So what I did was, these parts were already short. So I went in and just cut them so that they could kind of blend in more. And so I can curl this and give it a pixie. I wanted to grow this part to grow in some more, just so it could be easier to curl. But I can curl it and style it or whatever like that, and then keeping this top, and I'm gonna let it grow out, and then when it's time to go get another cut or trim, I'm going to go and have my beautician do it properly. So I just cut around here. This is the back. And then the side. You know, nothing professional. I mean, it ain't great. I didn't cut anything up in here, even though I do feel like I should have kind of like did that so it can lay. But I didn't want to start cutting up in here because this is like the front of my hair, and I do like this length. I just need it to be a little bit more cohesive. So what I'm about to do is just give myself a quick edge up. For those of you who have no idea what that is, that is when you relax the sides and back of your hair. You need to do that at least every 2 to 3 weeks, because this hair grows in faster. You're cutting it more, it grows in faster. And so to get it to lay down, that's what I do. About to put some of this just around here. Fix me some coffee. I haven't had coffee, had my coffee yet. I kind of want to have like coffee and a cigar. I want to try that. And I do have some cigars I need to smoke before they dry out. So I might do that, like sit in my front yard or whatever. I don't know, and do that. And that'll be it for today. I don't have any plans, and I'm not finna lie and tell y'all that I'm gonna come back and vlog anymore, because this is it for this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for interacting and commenting on my vlogs. I do comment back. I do interact. So thank you guys. I thank you guys for the growth that I've been getting lately. Like, I've been doing this for a while, and like to finally see like some straight growth, and you guys are just loving me. I truly appreciate that. You guys don't know how much that means to me from the deepest part of my heart. I thank y'all, and I truly appreciate each and every one of you guys who subscribe, who watch, who leave comments, that I interact. Like, I feel like y'all my friends in real life. So thank y'all, and let's continue to grow. Y'all be safe. If the kids are going back to school, have a great school year, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.